Hello traders, in today's video we are mastering the parabolic curve trading strategy. This is an approach centered on recognizing parabolic price patterns where price accelerates sharply in a curve's trajectory. At this point I'm going to load an image example so you can see how it looks on the chart. Alright, so there we have it. Let's take this up a bit. On the chart, a parabolic curve appears as an increasingly steep price movement that curves upward or downward with accelerating momentum. The pattern typically starts gradually and becomes steeper over time. Traders observing this pattern knows that the steeper the curve becomes, the more unsustainable it may be, often followed by a sharp reversal or correction. Traders studying parabolic curves often use trend lines drawn along the accelerating price movements, along with momentum indicators and volume analysis to assess the strength and sustainability of the move. The strategy is suited for experienced traders who understand the risks of extreme price movements. This is an educational and analytical framework only. Parabolic moves can extend far beyond expectations, and timing their conclusion is extremely difficult. False signals and early reversals are common. Always use proper risk management and additional confirmation. If you'd like to learn more about this, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.